Good day everyone, I am Mary J. Villavicencio from BS Entrep 3A and now I present to you my feasibility study of fruit popsicle instead of ice candy. Location: Head office and factory site if any this project proposal is located at Purok Uno Diligasan, Marinduque. Company background: Fruit popsicle stick is a type of fruit popsicle stick that in the other plant family as mango and melon or other fruit. Fruit popsicle sticks are usually colorful shape and sizes can vary depending on the variety. They have a thick outer ring that's soft or smooth. Fruit popsicle is naturally made up of fresh fruit, sweet fruits. It is usually colorful because of different color and sizes of fruits, and each shape is according on what molded use. Usually served by a fruit wrapper with a popsicle stick, ice candy is a Filipino frozen dessert made from condensed milk and a fruit strip and water. It is basically a frozen version of the fruit strip salad. They can be sold on popsicle stick or in plastic bags with taste and soft. However, these frozen fruits are still healthy because we didn't add any ingredients that make product unhealthy. Nature or kind of industry. Food industry is a collective diverse business that supplies most of the food consumed by the population. It's cover food production, food processing, packaging, preservation, product quality, health and sanitation issues. The concern of food industry. Type of organization. Sole proprietorship because this form of organization is easy to establish. For project general objectives: to provide view recipe in food industry, to ensure the customer satisfaction by providing quality and service, to promote our company in food industry. Specific objectives of the project: fruit popsicle stick is very unhealthy alternative usual Filipino fruits popsicle ice candy because it is nutritious. We can also sell this so that we can earn money. Market study. Objectives of the study. In every feasibility study conducted, market always the life. Through the question, find the means to make profitable of the demand to this product, starting financial discussion. Discussing profitability and other parts of aspect of our project, we cannot further so we can give importance and good focus to market in our consideration. The market study aims to determine the following: the supply situation and nature competitions, the description and price of the product, the size, nature, growth of total demand of product, geographical areas. Fruit popsicle will be established in Gasan Public Market where the product can be easily noticed by the customers since most of the customers are buying their needs. The demand situation. This business is often reflect on in Filipino food and exist in an endless variety. This food business owned and operated by individual fruit popsicle are attracted because of the possibility of earning reflective high income. The supply situation. The supplies market when it comes sector was majority by highly driven value of conscious in sellers in willing to get a small business, especially at time of pandemic. This market is segmented by the type which quick service and street full service. The possible competitors is also a same offers of the business of product and for the segment the market sizing and has been for the basis prices and the popsicle possible competitors of this business and different kinds of foods. The demand supply. When it comes in demand, this business is mainly driven by the factors such as changing our lifestyle toward the different tastes of the product. The price strategies. The price of this product are based on the prevailing price of which it assured that the right price is profitable based on the good quality of raw materials. For instance, it increases at the certain of this product. The price strategies for the product, we choose value-based pricing strategy for our product because it gives some nutritious for the body. People, we all want a yummy food that can satisfy them with food gadgets friendly. That we are considering of what they will think of our product after knowing the price. We are granted that our customer will back to us, continue to acknowledge our product because it's nutritious. Target market. This target market of the products is the people Barangay Diligas, Marinduque. Selling price. The price of the product is estimated in 12 pesos. Packaging of product. This product packaging is a plastic bag packaging. It has oblong shape design. Also allows them to stand upright more good when compared with plastic bag. They are also much safer and the contents from the environment. Distribution network. In every distribution of the product is directly to the customers and base order specific order. Sales management mechanism. This targets sales on every 120 of fruit popsicle instead of a candy. So if we're going to sell every day, the target sales that have in 1 week to 500. Advertising program. People, since we are experiencing COVID pandemic, is the best way used in advertising program is social media platforms. For this product of business is fruit popsicle instead ice candy. Price 12 pesos each product. Place Barangay Diligasan, Marinduque. Promotion. The business promote in social media platforms creating FB page. Technical study, manufacturing process, raw materials, procurement, peeling, cutting, combine the water and sugar, put in the freezer, packaging. Machine requirements, materials, acquisition, quantity, total cost, lifespan year. Materials, knife, acquisition cost 68 pesos, quantity 1, total cost 68 pesos, lifespan 5 pesos, peeler 25 pesos, quantity isa 25 pesos, lifespan isa, pop mold 139 pesos, quantity 3, total cost 417 pesos, lifespan 1. Popsicle stick, acquisition cost 29 pesos, quantity 50, total cost 1,450 pesos, lifespan 1. Chopping board 95 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 95 pesos, lifespan 10. Spoon, acquisition cost 30 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 30 pesos, lifespan 10. Measuring cup 30, acquisition cost 35 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 35 pesos, lifespan isa. Refrigerator 6,000 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 6,000 pesos, lifespan 10. Plant capacity. The estimate plant capacity initial is ranging 400 pieces of fruit popsicle ice candy, which the price is 12 pesos per pieces. So that expected cost is 4,800 pesos. Estimate total cost. Materials, knife, Acquisition cost 68 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 68 pesos, lifespan 5 pesos, pillar 25 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 25 pesos, lifespan year isa, pop mold acquisition cost 139 pesos, quantity 3, total cost 417 pesos, lifespan 2, popsicle stick acquisition cost 29 pesos, quantity 50 pesos, 50, total cost 1,450 pesos, lifespan year isa. Chopping board acquisition cost 95 pesos, quantity dalawa, total cost 95 pesos, lifespan 10, spoon 30 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 30 pesos, lifespan year 10. Measuring cup 35 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 35 pesos, lifespan isa. Refrigerator 6,000 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 6,000 pesos, lifespan 10. Apple 25 pesos, quantity 5, total cost 125 pesos, lifespan 1 week. Mango 80 pesos, quantity 3, total cost 240 pesos, lifespan 1 week. Watermelon acquisition cost 30 pesos, quantity 2, total cost 60 pesos, lifespan 1 week. Lemon juice 50 pesos, quantity dalawa, total cost 25 pesos, lifespan 1 week. Water 25 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 25 pesos, lifespan 1 month. Sugar 4, acquisition cost 42 pesos, quantity isa, total cost 42 pesos, lifespan year 2 weeks. Plan location. Fruit popsicle instead of ice candy is located at Public Market, Gasan, Marinduque. It is located because of the big opportunity to attract customers. Plan layout, packaging area, exit, production area, entrance, office. Production schedule. The production schedule of the business will be Monday to Friday. Every 8 hours is the working hours. Production to 8:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Raw materials, fruit popsicle instead of ice candy. Ingredients, mango, watermelon, apple, lemon juice, sugar, water. Utility requirements, water. Project scheduling. Activities, planning, consultation of plant location, apply legal and permits, purchasing equipment and tools, purchasing raw materials, hire staff, starting production, starting promotion, material packaging, distribution. Management and legal study. This chapter tackles about the inter-organizational arrangement of the business. The management aspect suggests a clear and precise identification of duties and responsibilities, flow of authority, and manpower level requirement. This contains the organizational chart and the qualification. Organization chart. CEO, utility manager, sales manager, maintenance staff, sales staff, Management and employee duties and function. Management employees duties and function. Owner may actually invoice customers, collect overdue amount, keep the accounting system up to date, and reconcile bank system. Manager maintain staff by recruiting, selecting, orienting, and training employees. Financial advisor answering client questions about financial plans and strategies and giving financial advice. Business planner develop, document, or implement business plan process and procedure. Sales associate grades and receive and customers in a welcome manner. Internal control. Every business needs standards and repercussion for breaking the standards. When a business is in the food service and industry, various state and federal regulation for safety are in place. In fact, rules for employees at companies become the bedrock of its success. Here are some rules that every restaurant employee, both the front of the house as well as the back of the house, must adhere to. Hair is relatively secured at all times. Strictly proper hand washing. Employees are mandatory to return of all the machines and equipment after using. Observe the cleanliness in the working area. Legal and taxation aspect. Legal aspect. Ideas, protection, specific contracts, workplace regulation, work health and safety compliance. Taxation aspect. Income tax, pay as you go, good and services tax, other federal taxes, company rules and policies, employees financial study. Fruit popsicle stick instead of a candy. Projected balance sheet. Pre-operating 1-year plan. Asset. Pre-operating cash from table 20 2,500 to year 1 8,708. Accounts receivable from schedule. Wala 9 year 960 pesos. Raw materials inventory schedule 4 plus schedule 6. Wala 26.77. Finished goods inventory from table 12. Blank. Wala 3,952.44. Total current asset 2,502 pesos. Year 1 13,647.37. Property, plant, and equipment from table 2. Pre-operating 17,333 pesos. Year 17,333 pesos. Less accumulated depreciation from table 2. Net property, plant, and equipment blank 2,519.20. Net property, plant, and equipment 17,333 pesos. 14,813.80 pesos. Pre-operating expenses from the table 15. 2,205 pesos. 2,205 pesos. Less accumulated amortization from table 16. Wala 44,441. Net free operating expenses 2,205 pesos. Year 1,764 pesos. Total asset 22,440 pesos. Year 30,225.17. Liabilities and owner equity. Loans payable from table 18. 10,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. Total current liabilities 10,000 pesos, 5,000 pesos. Owner's equity from table 17. 12,400, 12,040, 12,440. Retained earning from table 19. Wala 13,000. 185.17. Total owners equity 12,040, 25,225.17. Total liabilities and owner equity is 22,040, year 30,225.17. Fruit popsicle stick instead of ice candy projected income statement pre-operating 1 year and plan. Sales from table 1 year 57,600 pesos. Less cost of goods sold from table 13 39,524.36. Gross profit from sales 18,775.64. Less selling expenses from table 14 is 2,540 pesos. Less general and admin expenses from table 16 is 941 pesos. Net income before interest and taxes year 1 is 14,594.64. Less interest charges from table 18, 500 pesos. Net income before taxes 14,094.64. Less income tax 909.46. Net income 13,185.17. Fruit popsicle stick instead of ice candy projected cash flow pre-operating 1 year plan. Cash flow pre-operating year wala. Loan proceed from table 17 or 18 10,000 pesos wala. Owner's investment from table 17 12,440 wala. Cash sales from schedule 2 wala. 46,000.80 pesos. Collection of receivable from schedule 10,560 pesos. Total cash inflows 22,040 pesos. 56,640 pesos. Cash outflows pre-operating expenses from table 15 2,205 pesos. Fixed investment table to 17,333 pesos. Direct materials for cases from table 5 blank 31,276.57. Indirect materials for cases from table 7 blank 1,307.80. Direct labor from table 8 blank 6,500 pesos. Factory overhead minus depreciation and indirect mat blank 2,400 pesos. Selling expenses from table 14 2,540 pesos. General and admin less depreciation and amortization blank income taxes from table 19 wala 9,009 pesos. 909 pesos. Total cash outflows from 19,538 pesos. 44,933.83. Net cash flow 2,502 pesos. 11,706.17. At beginning cash balance blank 2,502 pesos. Less principal interest payments from table 18 blank 5,500 pesos. Ending cash balance 2,502 pesos. 8,708.17. Socio-economic study. This study discusses about how it helps our economy. It thus will give employment and what are the responsibilities to our customers. These are seeing of how business will contribute to the community, environment, and customers. Thank you for watching, presented by Mary Joy Emilia Vicencio.